my darkest moment I see you and your big annoying smile, because you always hit the buzzer before my brain can even process the first word. You say good luck and shake our hands like this will be an even match, and then you utterly destroy us and make us look like Emery Thompson doing math. 'Cause you get every single toss-up, right, and answer every one of them before a judge can even finish the first two words of every question. When I look at the scoreboard, makes me want to cry. There's a war between every team. We're all fighting for second place. We know we won't get first, 'cause grace wins every time. We can study for 1,000 hours, give up every break and never sleep, but what's the point? Grace wins every time. Words can't describe the way it feels to end the game with 0 points. Yeah, I can see the disappointment written all over my dad's face. Are you just clones of Isaac Newton? It's like you're not even human. I feel as dumb as a crouton compared to you. I just want to figure out your secret. Are you really robots? How are you so smart? There's a war between every team. We're all fighting for second place. We know we won't get first, 'cause grace wins every time. We can study for 1,000 hours, give up every break and never sleep, but what's the point? Grace wins every time. They faced Albert Einstein, grace wins. They fought against the internet, grace wins. They played against their teachers, grace wins. No matter who they face, grace wins. When they play against Mission Hill, grace wins. When they face Heartland Christian, grace wins. When they play against Gateway, grace wins. But then they finally lost in the war between Berean and Grace. Something terrible inside took place. I'm like, hallelujah, they don't win every time. I know they're still